if the government of India now has to decide the cut of date, we would like to see that the cut of date should be 2022.
Kanya Uttar Youth Council mentakas ngi khalai teruk yayong khalai benai dak Dorkhas Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jela ba DP Walang halor kimat ban Pynbeit ya ke roster. U Presiden ke HYC ba Robert Jun Kharjarin ulong ba seng ke kwa penyoi ba ke sarkar kan Penteri Kambej ya ke roster prospectively ke bamut nadu bela menjor ya ke UM ban om ban shim jingken nadu kisnam balalej. Hak juga por ulong ru ba ke sarkar ke di ban wanra ya ke code of date kumla bethar ke yang kasiri hak kur order ke balai terik ujemang arjar puar ke badai ban sedang bej nadu ke singi belawan ra ya ke roster. Susu ulong ru bakat kum ke UM jok sarkar ke kedau bikin paidin biang hak jing pendap ya ke roster ban Pynbeit pat ya ke ni ke UM ke syong hak bor jong ke cabinet.
The Honorable High Court has categorically stated in that disposal order where it seemed that the government of Meghalaya has not put a cut of date with regard to the implementation of roster. And the Honorable High Court has clearly stated that it left up to the legislature and the executive to determine that cut of date. So based on that order, we've filed our representation before the Honorable Chief Secretary to the government of Meghalaya to put our point that if the government of India now has to decide the cut of date, we would like to see that the cut of date should be 2022, May 2022. Why? Because the Honorable Supreme Court in so many of the cases, especially in the RT Sabrawal case, has clearly stated that roster should be implemented prospectively, not retrospectively. So we would like to see that if the government decides either through a state legislative assembly or through all party meeting or even through a cabinet, because OM can be changed even at the cabinet itself, we would like to see that it should be 2022 onward.
Pula ben rabru baka seng kadon ni kajing kermen bahak kajing elang jigi seng san partai baro ban salongshen kajing ekran kan long ko besai so.